Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia. And today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your INI CET rank. So first you have to visit the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this link you have to click on it. And after visiting the website you have to scroll down below and you will see the section of College Predictor. You have to click that and then you have to enter the course and exam that you want to pursue. For example, today we will be seeing for INI CET, and the course I want to do is neurosurgery. After that, you have to select on find colleges, and then you have to enter your rank along with your reservation category and the course. For example, my rank is 150, and this is my category, and this is my course. And then you can click on check results. So you can see there are in total of 5 colleges for which I qualify for, and this is the list of all those colleges given down below. And if you want to know more about the college, you can select over here and you can see all the information regarding your course, your college, your admission process, the results, your cutoff, your placement will be given here, and you can download all those information with this brochure that is given button below. And if you want to see colleges that fit under your preferences and choices, you can click on this filter option and you can select your preferences according to the state, your city, your year, your substream and degree type, and apply those changes and all those colleges will be listed for you. So if you have any other question, you can visit the Collegedunia website or you can comment down below. Thank you.